For years, PGStats knew a table name but not its identity. PostgreSQL 19 fixed that. It now exposed the table OID and attribute number right beside the statistic, so you can join planner stats straight to the catalog, no caching. Here is how it's used to hurt. To get a table's OID from PGStat, you build it by hand. Schema.table, cost to reg class, then to OID. Fragile. A duplicate name or different search path and your join pointed to the wrong table. The extended view gets the same upgrade. PGStat underscore ext and pg underscore stat underscore ext expert now carry table id and statistics id. Table id is the table's OID. Statistics id is the OID of the stats object. So you can join extended statistics by OID, not by name. And a bonus hide in pg underscore stats underscore ext underscore expert. It now shows range type statistics, range length histogram, empty fraction, and range bound histogram. If you use range columns, the planner's view of them is finally readable. Here is the payoff. Before you join the PG stats to PG class on the table name and hope, now it is clean condition. C.OID equals to S.TableID. Stable, scriptable, and it will not subscribe you in production. In practice, it is clean key. Filter PG stats by table ID, ordered by attribute number, and you will get every column statistics for one table, one quoting, and easily to run across hundreds of tables. One thing to keep straight, table ID is the table OID, statistics ID is the stats object's OID, not the same number. Do not join the extended view on table ID when you mean statistics ID. The names are still there for humans. So here is your playbook. Filter PG stats by table ID, jump to one stats object by statistics ID, read range stats from PG stat underscore ext underscore expert, planner statistics jumps went from something to describe to something you can automate. Test it before you upgrade. Subscribe for more PostgreSQL 19 changes in 2 minutes.